Hello everyone and welcome back to Ema English Daily. I'm Emma and today we are talking about something very important for every English learner, the growth mindset. A growth mindset means you believe you can improve step by step, even if something feels difficult now.
Hi friends, I'm Jack, and I'm excited to spend time learning English together with all of you in a simple and relaxing way today.
And I'm Emma. We create these conversations to help you improve your English speaking and listening skills little by little every day.
Before we begin, please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing because your support helps us make more lessons.
Thank you so much, everyone. Today, we are talking about a topic that people discuss almost every day in normal conversations.
Yes, today's topic is the weather. Weather is one of the easiest and safest things to talk about with other people anywhere.
That is true. You can talk about the weather with neighbors, coworkers, classmates, friends, or even strangers on the bus.
Exactly. So Emma, how are you feeling today? Did you have a nice weekend with good weather and some relaxing free time too?
Yes, I feel very good today, thank you. On Saturday, I visited a small park near my home and enjoyed the fresh air outside.
That sounds peaceful and relaxing. On Sunday, I stayed home and cleaned my apartment for many hours because it was very messy.
Cleaning is not exciting, but it feels nice after everything becomes fresh and organized again inside your home and living space.
Exactly. Later in the evening, I watched a funny movie online and laughed a lot because the characters were very silly and fun.
That sounds like a good way to relax after a busy day. Funny movies can really improve your mood and reduce stress easily.
Yes, they can. Now let's talk more about today's weather because it is sunny and comfortable outside right now in our city.
I agree. The weather feels warm, but not too hot. The sky is bright blue, and there are only a few clouds today.
I really enjoy weather like this because sunny days make me feel active, happy, and ready to go outside for a long walk.
Sunny days are wonderful, but I also enjoy light rain sometimes. It's because the sound of rain feels calm and peaceful to me.
Really? I do not enjoy rainy weather very much because my clothes and shoes always become wet when I go outside in the rain.
That can be annoying, but rain also makes the air feel cooler, cleaner, and fresher after a hot and dusty afternoon outside.
Yes, that part is true. Everything looks greener after rain, and the streets feel quieter and more peaceful during light showers.
You just need to remember your umbrella before leaving home, because umbrellas make rainy days much easier and more comfortable.
That is my problem. I always forget my umbrella at home, so I get surprised by rain when I am already outside walking.
Maybe you should keep a small umbrella in your bag every day so you are always prepared for sudden rainy weather outside.
That is a smart idea, Emma. I think I will start doing that because the weather changes very quickly sometimes in this city.
Now let's learn some easy weather words. When the sun is bright outside, we usually say the weather is sunny today.
And when rain is falling from the sky, we say it is rainy. Rainy days can be relaxing when you stay indoors at home.
Exactly. Another common weather word is windy. A windy day has strong moving air that you can feel on your face outside.
During windy weather, trees move from side to side, and sometimes people hold their hats so they do not fly away outside.
Very good example, Jack. Now let's talk about snowy weather because many children become very excited when snow starts falling.
Yes, snowy days look beautiful and white. Children enjoy making snowmen, playing games, and throwing snowballs with friends outside.
Another common weather word is cloudy. A cloudy day means there are many clouds in the sky and the sun is hard to see clearly.
Yesterday was very cloudy in my area. The sky stayed gray from morning until evening, but luckily there was no heavy rain.
Yes, cloudy weather can sometimes feel calm and quiet. Another weather word we often hear is foggy during cold mornings.
Foggy weather is difficult for drivers because thick fog covers the roads and makes it hard to see cars or signs ahead.
That is true. People need to drive slowly and carefully during fog because accidents can happen more easily in low visibility.
Now let's talk about temperature and how we describe weather when it feels hot, warm, cool, or very cold outside.
Of course, during summer, the weather is usually hot, so people often wear light clothes like shorts and simple t-shirts.
Today feels warm and comfortable. It is not too hot or too cold, so it is perfect weather for walking outside peacefully.
Exactly. During autumn, the weather becomes cool, and people usually wear light jackets because the air feels fresher outside.
And during winter, temperatures become very cold, so people wear thick coats, scarves, gloves, and warm boots every day.
Those are excellent examples, Jack. Different seasons bring different weather, clothes, activities, and feelings for many people.
Thank you, Emma. By the way, what is your favorite season during the year, and why do you enjoy it so much personally?
My favorite season is autumn because I love the cool air, colorful leaves, and peaceful feeling during long afternoon walks.
Autumn sounds beautiful with red, yellow, and orange leaves everywhere, but I think summer is still my favorite season. V.
Really? Many people enjoy summer because of vacations, sunny weather, outdoor activities, and spending more time outside with friends.
Yes, I love summer because the days are longer and I can enjoy evening walks while the sky is still bright and sunny.
That is a very good reason. Long summer evenings give people more time for sports, walks, picnics, and relaxing activities.
What about spring? I think spring feels cheerful because flowers grow again and the weather slowly becomes warmer after winter.
Exactly. Spring feels fresh and happy because trees become green again, flowers bloom, and everything looks alive and colorful.
Winter can also be beautiful for a short time, especially when snow covers the streets, houses, and trees in white colors.
https://w6wpmx5xwdus sharing.
I agree. Wearing heavy winter clothes every day becomes tiring, and driving on snowy roads can also feel stressful and unsafe.
Speaking of weather, do you remember how strange the weather was last week in our city and nearby neighborhoods?
Yes, it changes almost every day. It felt like we experienced all 4 seasons during one single busy and unusual week.
On Monday, the weather was warm and sunny, so I went outside without wearing a jacket for most of the afternoon.
Then on Tuesday, the wind became extremely strong. My hat actually flew away while I was walking near the park outside.
I remember that moment very clearly because you had to run quickly after your hat while people nearby laughed and smiled.
Wednesday was completely different because it rained heavily all day. So I stayed inside drinking tea and reading a novel.
That sounds like the perfect rainy afternoon activity because books and hot drinks feel extra relaxing during cold, rainy weather.
On Thursday morning, thick fog covered the streets. But later, the sun appeared again, and the afternoon became bright and pleasant.
Friday had wonderful weather because the sun was shining brightly, the air felt warm, and everything outside looked peaceful and fresh.
Yes, Friday was amazing. Weather changes so often that sometimes it feels completely different from 1 hour to the next outside.
That is one reason people talk about the weather so much. It changes every day, so there is always something new to discuss.
Now, let's practice some simple weather questions that English learners can use during daily conversations with friends or coworkers.
One easy question is, what is the weather like today? People also ask, what is the weather like outside right now?
We can also ask simple questions like, is it sunny today? Or is it raining outside at the moment in your area?
Exactly. Someone may also ask, is it cold today? Or is it snowing? These questions are very common in daily English.
The answers are easy too. You can say, yes, it is, or no, it isn't, depending on the weather outside right now.
That's correct. You can also answer with short sentences like, no, it's not raining, or yes, it's very sunny today.
What if we want to ask about tomorrow's weather instead of today's weather during a conversation with another person?
Then you can ask, what will the weather be like tomorrow? That is a useful question for planning activities outdoors.
People also ask, is it going to rain tomorrow? Especially when they want to travel, play sports, or spend time outside.
Exactly. You can answer by saying, I think it will be sunny, or the weather forecast says it might rain tomorrow.
The weather forecast is very useful because people can check it on television, websites, or mobile phones every single day.
Many people look at the forecast every morning before work because they want to choose the right clothes for the weather.
I always check my phone before leaving home because I want to know if I need a jacket, sunglasses, or an umbrella.
That is a smart habit, Jack. Now let's talk about activities people enjoy doing during very hot summer weather outside.
On extremely hot days, I enjoy swimming in a pool, eating ice cream, and relaxing somewhere cool and comfortable indoors.
I usually drink cold water, sit near a fan, or visit an air-conditioned shopping mall when the weather feels too hot outside.
Shopping malls feel very comfortable during summer because the cool air inside helps people relax and escape the strong heat.
Now let's think about winter. What do you usually do when the weather becomes freezing and very cold during winter months?
I wear a heavy coat, warm gloves, and a hat. Then I drink hot chocolate and relax under a soft, warm blanket.
That sounds very cozy and peaceful. Warm drinks and blankets make cold winter evenings feel much more comfortable and relaxing.
Emma, do you think tomorrow will be sunny again, or do you believe rain is coming later during the weekend forecast?
I think tomorrow will stay sunny because the sky looks very clear today, although the temperature may become slightly cooler.
I hope you are correct, because I want to meet my friends at the park and play football together after lunch tomorrow.
That sounds like a fun weekend plan. Fresh air and outdoor games are always enjoyable when the weather is warm and sunny.
Sometimes weather becomes dangerous too, especially during storms with loud thunder, heavy rain, and bright flashes of lightning.
Yes, storms can be powerful. Thunder is the loud sound you hear, and lightning is the bright light in the dark sky.
Thunderstorms make me nervous because the thunder sounds very loud, especially during the night when everything feels quiet.
That feeling is normal, but people are usually safe inside strong buildings during storms if they stay calm and careful indoors.
I also learned that a breeze is different from strong wind because a breeze feels soft, cool, gentle, and very relaxing.
Let's talk about weather in different countries. Weather is not the same everywhere. It changes a lot depending on the country and location.
Yes, that's true. In places like Thailand or Brazil, the weather is usually hot and humid, which means the air feels wet and sticky.
Right. Humid weather means there is a lot of moisture in the air, so people often feel sweaty and uncomfortable in hot seasons.
In countries like Canada or Norway, winters are very cold and snowy, so people wear heavy clothes, boots, and warm jackets outside.
Yes, and in England, the weather is often cloudy and rainy, so people there usually talk about weather in daily conversations.
I think in England, I would always carry an umbrella because rain can come anytime during the day or even in the morning.
Exactly. That is why checking the weather before traveling is very important, so you can pack the right clothes for each country.
For hot countries, you pack light clothes like t-shirts and shorts. For cold places, you need coats, gloves, and warm clothes.
So weather affects travel, clothing, and daily activities. That is why learning weather words is very useful in English conversations.